Hello guys, my name is Emmanuel from shortcut.com, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you a website that everybody should know. Now on your browser, I want you to this website, head over to this website, and basically what this does is it helps you or enhances your typing speed. Yeah, so let's give it a try. So basically this is how it looks like when you go to the website. You're going to be visited or greeted rather with this so I have to. Well, that is awesome. Well, if you like this, I think you should go ahead and try this out. Yeah. See you next time.